To start, you'll need to cut out two pieces of fabric, one that's 18 inch by 5 inch and one that's 18 inch by 3 inch. And you'll also need a 9 inch piece of 1/4 inch elastic. Take your big piece and fold it in half, and then you're going to fold it in half again. Now we're going to draw a shape with the Sharpie, and it's kind of like a weird S that comes to a point, but just try to copy what I have on screen. And then you're going to cut it out. Make sure that the point is on the opposite end of the folded sides. Unfold the fabric, and then you're going to fold it in half with the right side being on the inside. Then you're also going to take this smaller piece and do the same thing, fold it in half long ways with the right fabric on the inside. And then you're going to sew along the edge and make sure that you leave an opening on the weird shaped fabric. Now we're going to turn the fabric inside out. This can be a little tricky, so just take your time. Once you have both of the pieces turned inside out, you'll want to iron the seams so they aren't so bunched up. And then you're going to take a safety pin and thread it onto the end of your elastic piece. Thread the elastic through the long, skinny piece of fabric. This is going to create the scrunchie part. Make sure that the end of the elastic doesn't go all the way through. You need elastic hanging out on both ends, and then you're going to tie a knot with both of those ends. Next, you're going to hide the knot, and you're going to tuck one end of the fabric into the other to make it look cleaner. Then you're just going to sew over that overlap to close it up. Now take the other piece of fabric and sew the hole that's right in the middle. And then you're going to wrap it around the scrunchie, right around where you sewed the overlap to hide it. And then you're just going to tie it into 2 knots.